Forgotten username recovery failed on Charles Schwab Bank Fix. If you've been trying to recover your Charles Schwab username and the process keeps failing, you're not alone. It's a common issue, and the good news is it's almost always fixable once you understand why it happens. Start by visiting the Charles Schwab login page and clicking Forgot Login Id. You'll be asked to enter your email address, account number, or the last 4 digits of your social security number. The key is accuracy. These details must exactly match what Schwab has on file. Most recovery failures happen because of outdated or slightly different personal information. If you're not getting the recovery email, check your spam folder or search for messages from Schwab.com. If nothing shows up, give it a few minutes. Sometimes, Schwab security system delays emails for verification. If you've changed your email or phone number recently, the system may not recognize your recovery attempt. In that case, your best move is to contact Schwab's customer service at 1-800-435-4000. Their support team can verify your identity and reset your login information securely. Here's the surprising truth about this issue. Charles Schwab's recovery system is intentionally strict. It blocks mismatch recovery attempts to prevent identity theft. That means even small errors like an extra space or a missing number can cause the system to reject your request. Once you regain access, update your account's contact information and security settings. Keeping your details current ensures that future recovery attempts go smoothly, without delays or verification issues. So if your recovery keeps failing, stay calm, check your information carefully, wait before retrying, and call support if needed. With a little patience and the right steps, you'll be back in control of your Charles Schwab Bank account quickly and safely.